Imagine a wild, untamed island covered in forests and hills where wolves howled at night and Lenape hunters paddled canoes along a mighty river. Fast forward 400 years, that same spot pulses with 8 million dreamers, towers scraping the clouds, and trillions of dollars changing hands every day. This is New York City, the city that never sleeps, the ultimate survivor, the heartbeat of the world. But how did a forgotten swamp become the most powerful city on Earth? From Dutch traders haggling over beaver pelts to Wall Street titans shaping global economies, from immigrant waves fleeing famine to skyscrapers defying gravity, New York's story is humanity's wildest adventure. Welcome to Explorasci, where we uncover the science of history's greatest transformations. Today, we're diving deep into the history of New York, how it became the world's most powerful city. Hit that like button if you're ready to time travel, subscribe for more epic journeys, and let's unlock the secrets. Our story starts around 10,000 years ago, when the first humans, ancestors of the Lenape people, hunted deer and fished the teeming waters of Mannahatta, meaning island of many hills. This 14,000-acre paradise had streams, meadows, and beaver dams everywhere. Enter 1609. English explorer Henry Hudson sails up the river now named for him, claiming it for the Dutch. But it's the Dutch West India Company that changes everything. In 1624, they buy the island for trinkets worth about $24 today, beads, cloth, and axes. Boom! New Amsterdam is born, a muddy trading post fueled by beaver fur hats, the must-have fashion of 17th century Europe. By 1664, it had 1,500 people, farmers, traders, enslaved Africans building forts. Science fact, those beavers, their dams created fertile soil, perfect for the orchards that fed early settlers. But power plays loomed. The Dutch dream ends in 1664 when 4 British ships sail in, demanding surrender. No shots fired, New Amsterdam becomes New York, named for the Duke of York. Under British rule, it booms as a port, but tensions brew. 1776, revolution ignites. NYC is the stage for massive battles. Washington's army flees after losing Brooklyn Heights, the largest clash until Gettysburg. Yet, New Yorkers' grit shines. Alexander Hamilton rises from Caribbean orphan to financial wizard here. Post-war, the city explodes. The Erie Canal in 1825 links it to the Midwest, turning NYC into America's trade gateway. Immigrants flood in, Irish escaping potato famine, Germans fleeing unrest. By 1850, population triples to 500,000. Science of growth. Steamships and railroads shrink distances, making NYC the gateway to America. Enter the Gilded Age, 1870s, 1900s. Tycoons like Vanderbilt and Rockefeller build empires. Wall Street births the stock exchange in 1792, now trading $1.5 trillion daily. Immigrants, 12 million pass through Ellis Island, 1892 to 1954. Science twist. Urban planning booms. Central Park, 1857, fights nature deficit in concrete jungles. Then, skyscrapers. The 1880s elevator and steel frame tech let humans stack stories sky high. Flatiron, 1902, Woolworth, 1913, NYC invents the vertical city. By 1900, 3.4 million people cram in. Power secret? Diversity. Italians, Jews, Chinese create fusion energy, culturally and economically. 1929 crash hits hard, 25% unemployment. Yet NYC rebounds with FDR's New Deal, building icons like the Empire, 1931, tallest building ever then. WW2, Brooklyn Navy Yard churns out battleships. Post-war, the UN headquarters rises here, 1945, cementing NYC as world diplomacy hub. Science of resilience, zoning laws and subways handle 5 million daily commuters. 1960s to 80s, crime spikes, fiscal crisis nearly bankrupts it. But 9/11, 2001, tests the soul. First responders' heroism rebuilds one world trade. Today, tech boom, Silicon Alley, finance dominance, NYSE, culture capital, Broadway, MoMA, GDP, a whopping $2 trillion, bigger than most countries. What makes NYC unstoppable? 1. Location, perfect harbor. 2. Reinvention, always adapts. 3. People power. Immigrants fuel 40% of startups. 4. Innovation, birthplace of subways, TV, hip-hop. Explorasci insight, it's evolutionary biology in action. Adapt or die. NYC thrives by absorbing shocks like a metropolis superorganism. From Lenape Hills to AI hubs, it's proof. Vision plus grit equals world power. New York Saga shows anyone can rise from nothing. What's your city's untold story? Comment below. Like if this hooked you. Subscribe to Explorasci for more history science adventures. Hit the bell and share with a friend dreaming big. Explore the world with me. Thanks for watching. Stay curious.
What's your biggest takeaway? Comment below. Subscribe for more science adventures. Stay curious.